828 Find Adventure here. Let's put a mud flap on a mountain bike. So we got some mountain bikes recently and I wanted to put some mud guards or mud flaps on them just to keep myself, especially my face, from getting hit with mud and rocks. So I thought I'd show y'all how to install them. The first thing I do is I get the mud guard and I go ahead and put zip ties through it per the directions that came with it. And this just makes it really easy. The next step is I get the whole mud guard and I put between the tire and the fork. And I start a few of the zip ties to hold it in place. This enables you to get the other zip ties started. Then you can position the mud guard and tighten up those zip ties. Now, a lot of people probably are like, oh, this is just something silly to buy for a bike, but it actually, not only does it work, it actually looks pretty cool. You can get them in all different colors and patterns and everything. They're all basically the same shape. They all attach the same way with some zip ties. Fairly easy to put on. Once I get the zip ties all on there and get the mud guard positioned correctly, the next step is just to tighten down those zip ties and trim them. And once you have them trimmed, that's it. Guys, I just wanted to break in here and I wanted to show you these pliers. These here are cable tension pliers and you can use them, well, back in the day we used to use them for installing derailleurs and holding tension on the cable or adjusting cantilever brakes on most of the mountain bikes and some of the touring bikes. I use them mostly now for tightening zip ties when doing wiring, like on my car just to keep it organized or at the house. But when you put the mud guard on, these can really tighten up the zip ties so you don't get any play. hope you enjoyed my video of installing mud guards or mud flaps on mountain bikes. It's an easy install. I think anyone can do it. Just be patient and they'll go right on in just a few minutes. And I just thought it would be helpful to let you all see how it's done, in case you want to do it yourself. Anyways, have a great day and see you next time. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you're interested in any of these mud guards or mud flaps, as they might be called, I'll put a link in the description. So see you later.